Okay, today we are going to discuss about the new chapter number 16, pair of angles. We know that what is the pair? Pair means that there will be two things. And what is angle? Angle means already we learned in the last classes, that is two straight line joining in one common point. There is a space will be there. That space we call angles. That space we will call angles, and this both will be called arms and this will be called vertex. This is the basic things we know that, and in this chapter we are discussing about the pairs of angles, and the first one is complementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by complementary angles? We are going to discuss about the complementary angles. Complementary. Okay, if you take any two angles, when we say that they are complement to each other, okay, there will be a two angles. Okay, this angle is 60 degree and this will be 30 degree. Okay, I'm going to take the sum of these two angles. 30 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we got 90 degree. Another two angles. So I'm taking another one. The one angle is 70 degree. The another one is 20 degree. I'm taking the sum of these two measures. 20 plus 70 equal to 90. If you take any two angles, the sum of their measure is 90 degree. We will call them, they are complement to each other. These are the complementary angles. 30 plus 60 equal to 90 degrees. So these are the complementary angles, and 20 plus 70 equal to 90 degree. So these both are complementary angles. Angles are said to be complementary angles then if the sum of the measure is 90 degree. That's only thing. Okay, then we can say that 30 is the complementary of 60, 60 is the complementary of 30, then 20 is the complementary of 70, 70 is the complementary of 20. Then if you want to find out the complementary, if I am giving a one angles, if you want to find out the complementary angles, then we have to subtract from the 90. So one more angle. So I will give you this first one is 50 degree and second one is 40 degree. If they are complement to each other, we can take the sum of these two, that will be 90. So we can say that 50 and 40 are the complementary angles because the sum of their angles is 90 degree. Then if I'm giving the one angle is 65 degree, and what is the complementary angles? We know that complementary angle of 60, complementary angle of 65 degree is, already we know that the sum of their measure is 90 degrees. So 90 minus 65 equal to 25 degree. 25 degree will be the complementary angle. This angle will be 25 degree. Then we can say they both angles are complementary angles. Now we are going to discuss about the supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary. Say the two angles here. Supplementary. If I'm taking one angle is 120, then another angle is 60. Then we will take the sum of these two angles. Okay, that will be 180. If sum of two angle is 180, then we will say that this is supplementary angles. So 60 and 120 are the supplementary angles. One more example. If the angle is 70 degree, if this angle is 70 degree and this angle will be 110 degree, then if you add these two angles, we will get 180 degree. So if both angles, we are taking these two angles and the sum of their measure is 180, then we can say that this is a supplementary angles. Then when we will see, if say that, okay, we are taking the another one, If one angle is 140 degree, and what is the another angle? The another angle, how we will find us another supplementary angle. We know that if two angles are said to be supplementary, then if their sum of their measure is 180 degree. If sum of measure is 90 degree, we will call complementary angle. Sum of measure is 180 degree, we will call supplementary angles. So if you are taking the sum of these two angles, that will be 180. So 180 minus 140, that will be 40. So supplementary angle of this one is 40 degree. Then one more. If one angle is 125 degree, and what is the supplementary angle of 125? So that will be 180 minus 125. That will be 5, then 55 will be the answer. The 55 is the answer. Then 55 degree is the supplementary. So 55 and 125 are the supplementary angles. Okay, one more is there. Going to the textbook examples. The first one is exercise number 16A. The first question is 50 degree. The question is find the complement of each of the following angles. So some angles are given 50 degree, 23 degree, then another one is 89 degree, so 5 degree. These are the first 4 examples. Okay, we are going to how to find out the complementary angles. Okay, 50 degrees given. What is a complementary angle of 50? Complementary angle of 50 equal to, we know that sum of the two angles are 90 if they are complement to each other. So 90 minus 50, that will be 40. So 40 will be the answer. Here is the complementary of angle of 23 equal to 90 minus 23 equal to 67 degree. Then another one is 89. 89 means 18. Complementary angle of 89 equal to 90 minus 89, that will be 1. 1 degree is the complementary angle. Then next question, 5 degree. What is the complementary of 5 degree? Then complementary of 5 degree equal to 90 minus 5 equal to 85. 85 degree is the complementary of the angle. The next question is 75 degree. 75 degree. What is the complementary of 75? 5 degree. That will be complementary means both angle. If you are taking the measure, sum of the measure of two angles, that will be 90 degrees. So we have to subtract from the 90 75. 90 minus 75 equal to 15. That will be the complementary angle of 75. Then second question, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Some angles are given. We need to find out the supplementary of each of the following. So first one is 30 degree, 55 degree and 100. We need to find out what are the supplement of these angles. So we know that what do you mean by supplement? The sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degrees. So we need to subtract each angle from the 180 degree, then we will get the supplement of each angles. Then supplement of 30 degree equal to 180 minus 30, that will be 150. That is the supplement. Then another one is supplement of 55 degree equal to 180 minus 55, then that will be 5, then 2, 125 degree. 125 degree is the supplement of this one. Then another one is C, supplement of 110 equal to 180 minus 110 equal to 70 degree. 70 degree will be the answer. These are the supplement of each angles. The next question, three questions are, first one is 0 degree, 46 degree, 160 degree. We need to find out the supplement of each angles. So we need to subtract the each angles from the 180 degree, then only we will get the supplement of each angles. So supplement of 0 degree equal to 180 minus 0 is equal to 180. So the supplementary angle is 180. Then another one is 46 degree. 46 means a supplement of 46 equal to 180 minus 46 equal to 4, then 3, 134 is the supplement of 46. Then another one is supplement of 160 equal to 180 minus 160, that will be 20 degree. That is the supplement of the seventh one, 160. From the textbook, find the angle which is the 1/3 of the supplement. Then we don't know the angle, take as x. Angle will be equal to x. The angle is x. Then another one is, we don't know the supplementary. So supplementary angle will be supplementary angle of x equal to 180 minus x, because we know that the sum of the two angles, if their angles is supplementary, the sum of their measure will be 180 degrees. So according to that, we form 180 minus x. Then the another condition, find the angle which is the 1/3 of the supplementary angles. Okay, this angle is 1/3 of 180 minus x, that is a supplementary angle. Then how we will form an equation? X, the angle is equal to 1/3 means you have to divide it with the 3 of 180 minus x. Then x is equal to, we can multiply the 1/3 into the bracket to remove the brackets. 180 by 3 minus x by 3. Then x is equal to 180 by 3 is equal to 60 minus x by 3. Then take, here we have x, here we have x. Take the x to the one side, then x minus x will be plus equal to 60. Then we have to take the LCM of these, and if you are multiplying with this one, 3x plus 1x. 3x plus 1x equal to 4x. Denominator will be 3. Then equal to 60. That will be 60. Then take the 3 to this right side. So 4x is equal to 180 degree. 6 3s are 18, then 180. So we need to find out the x. X equal to 180 divided by 4. That will be half of this one 2. Half of this one is 90. So 90 divided by 2, that will be 45 degree. Okay. Then x equal to 45. Then a supplementary angle of this one. Supplementary angle will be 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45, that will be 135. So here we have only find out the angle. The angle is 45. This is the answer.